Hello, my name is Ramakrishna. This is an Excel part. So here one person told that yes, there are many ways basically. So this everything basically, the zoology department basically maintains, B department basically maintains, electronic department maintains. How electronic department? Because they are basically merging the data basically. They are responsible. For example, how vegetable shape basically is coming basically. For example, apple seed is there, right? So apple seeds basically is created on the base of natural process. That example basically we have already said of 5 lakh building and 15 lakh liter basically oil gets processed. Same way basically the apple seeds are getting processed, and then basically the production of apple basically happens in Kashmir, Switzerland, European area, and many south areas also. But how that shape basically doesn't change there, it comes to the apple shape only basically. So how that is basically done? That is the electronic department. They are responsible for this basically. This only process basically is happening to me. For example, one person told that this is the land basically. Currently basically 700 crore basically population basically gets the power supply. And this is the land basically where entire 700 crore body parts are getting processed. So this basically power companies are doing what basically? This is one of the tasks basically they are doing. They are basically creating the land basically. After process basically, lots of things basically the zoology department also do because they have given the electronic data to D department, that is the ME, electronics department. So here one person told that yes, basically. So next